morning! Welcome back to my channel, Mary's Witness. So today, I'm gonna show you some beauty hacks. So ito yung mga simple ways, natural way that I'm going to use for my face as a daily routine, or let's say not daily. Sometimes I do it twice a week or once a week. It depends on my mood. But I'm just gonna share to you what I use for my face. So stay tuned! So I'm just gonna tie up my hair para walang sagabal. So I'm gonna wash my face and so what I'm always using for my face is anything that is organic or natural. So but sometimes I try some products like oil of Olay or Dove facial wash, yan. But for example, this one, this is a goat's milk soap that I bought when we were in Arkansas. So these are natural handmade soap. So I have quite a few. Like I have something like charcoal and like oatmeal, like that. I'm gonna show you some. So like this, I have charcoal. Like this, I like goat's milk. Yeah, I use this also for my body. So this is what I'm gonna use to wash my face. Yeah. So and konting massage. Konting ingat lang kasi masakit to sa mata pag pumasok yung sabon sa mata mo. So, usually, yung hair ko lumaksak. To wash it off, to rinse it off, pag natamad ako, I use a gentle kind of fabric rag. It's like a baby rag. I don't know what it's called, but it's like this one. Yeah, this is for babies. I just wash it every day and then just let it hang and dry. So I just gonna wet it and just wipe my face with it. Thank you mata kasi masakit pag pumasok yung sabon sa mata. Ang hapde. Lagyan yung headband ko. I love this soap. Hindi mahapi ng konti. It really feels like, my face is really clean. Yun lang. One thing with this goat's milk, it makes, after that, you're gonna see that your skin is dry. So you need to moisturize right away after that. At sabi nila, you can use this face towel for babies that you can like with warm water, and then you can just rub it on your face like exfoliation, doing an exfoliation for dry skin, especially on this area. And after that, you're gonna see the feeling of like your face is like stretched. Binabanat niya yung skin mo. So that's the effect of goat's milk. So then after that, I'm gonna use baking soda. Baking soda is very cheap, so I just put it in a plastic. This is actually a potato salad, so I just and wash this, and then this is where I store the baking soda. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a little, and then gonna put some water and start rubbing my face with this. Yeah, so you just like that. Just gently massage your face. But if you have very sensitive skin, very thin, the layer of your skin is very thin, so just be gentle. But if your skin is thick and rough, you can adjust the pressure. You can put more pressure. But so far my skin is not thin, it's thick. So you can also exfoliate your lips using baking soda. Yeah. And it's good to leave it on like for a few minutes. That you're gonna see that it's like getting dry and powdery. Nalasahan ko na siya. Okay. Just let it dry for a few minutes. Just when you see like, it's like, you're gonna see when it's dry, na maputi na yung face mo, para kang may pulbos na natuyo sa mukha mo. May pulbos ka na sinabi sa mukha mo. Ayan. So, just let it sit for a few minutes. So guys, ayan na siya. You see my face? Yeah, that's the baking soda. Ayan. So this is what I use, something like this, or anything that's for food, baking soda for food or anything, as long as it says baking soda. Ayan. And of course, I'm gonna use coconut oil. Coconut, just plain coconut. So I use coconut oil after that to moisturize my face. So using the baking soda as a exfoliation, by letting it dry on your face for a few minutes, it feels like it serves as a mask as well. So you see, it feels tightening as well for my face. So after I wash my face, I'm gonna apply the coconut oil right away, because my skin will be very dry after that. So for deep moisturization, I use coconut oil, the one that is natural or organic, that you're gonna see that it get solid when it's cold. So I use only cheap products. But sometimes I pamper myself. I try some other products just when I feel like I said I tried using a foaming wash, a foaming wash cleanser, oil of Olay or Dove. But normally moisturizing my face, I use coconut oil. Or I tried this as well from Spring Valley Vitamin E. Ayan, paubos na siya. Yeah, Spring Valley Vitamin E. Actually, it's skin oil, but I try to put on my face as well because it's vitamin E. Yeah. So as my basic routine, normally every day in the morning, I wash my face with my natural hand soap. And then after that, I can do regularly every day with the baking soda, but it depends, you know, if it feels very sensitive. Sorry, excuse me. When it feels very sensitive for you, the skin will feel like it, you know, like you're exfoliating too much. Skip for days, like do it twice a week, 3 times a week, and then later on once a week. Yeah, so at first when I try this one, I do it every day, and then later on twice a week, once a week. Yeah, so at least once a week. That's the very least. Put on now the coconut oil. Right. So, dapat dampi-dampi lang ang pagpunas. Yan. So now, I'm gonna use coconut oil. So, you can see, using a baking soda, it makes your skin smooth, shiny. Yan. So, I'm gonna scoop a little bit. I need a tissue to clean it. Okay. Just a small piece size. And rub on your hands and gently massage your face. It also helps with my eyebrows. Here, using coconut oil, it helps giving me more hair, a little bit more hair if I use it every day. Sometimes even at night, I put coconut oil on my eyebrows for them to grow back and to grow more hair. And also I put and massage my eyelashes. So, ang stroke dapat pataas, always upward. You can use your palm. Damdamin nyo na yung leeg. Yan. In your hand. So guys, I always have this facial roller with me, so I love this product. You just need a AA battery. I bought this in Walmart for $20 only. So I don't know how much is this in Philippines, but you can try this one. So this is like a facial massager, so it's a facial roller. So of course before you use this one, you need to clean this first. All right, there's instruction menu on the box when you buy this one. So yeah, so just massage it upward. You can do it slowly. Yan. It's good for circulation, tightening your skin tone. Yan. So you can do this for 5 minutes. Yan. Or more, but not so long. Yeah, you cannot do this for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. Just 5 minutes is enough, I think. And you can do this every day, in the morning, in the evening. It's up to you. Once a day. Yeah. All right, and another tip, I just want to share, if you have acne or pimples, for those having problem with that, I've experienced that when I was young. I had the scars, all the scars all over my face. I've experienced that so bad, like I'm having insecurity and so bad, like I'm so ugly, a lot of pimples, and it's just they just get tired of me now. So I don't get much pimples right now. So just a piece of advice. Sometimes I get 1 or 2, but very rare. But when I get stressed, of course, and then if you're exposed to a lot of dust, so what I use rubbing alcohol, just a little bit. Or the best one that I love is apple cider. So get a cotton ball and just dip a little bit and try to put it on the acne area, and just gently rub around the area, and then just dip and press on top of the pimple on the acne, and it heals fast, very fast. But after that, sometimes it leaves scars, but you need to exfoliate using baking soda. So those are the natural beauty hacks that I use. I love using apple cider, baking soda, and all that. So thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Mary's Witness.